Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting. I ordered another mystery box from Depop. This is adorable. It came wrapped up like a Christmas gift. I'm so excited to get into this. I have been waiting all week to open this package for you guys, and I'm going to be trying on everything that I got. The shop I ordered from is called Sentimental_Nostalgia. She posts the most adorable, aesthetically pleasing content I've ever seen. If you like Forestcore, cottagecore type content, then you will love her Instagram and the things that she posts on her Depop. It is so cute. She also posts a lot of journaling stuff as well, which I'm so into. For this particular video, I ordered the large Forestcore mystery box. This box cost me $35.50, and then I had to pay for shipping as well. So if you are interested in checking out something like the Forestcore mystery bundle, she also has dark academia, light academia, and cottagecore as well. And I noticed that she had a journaling mystery bundle, which I was interested. It definitely piqued my interest, I'm not gonna lie. But today we're focusing on the Forestcore mystery box. I am so excited to dig in here. So when I was chatting with Sentimental_Nostalgia, she asked me things such as my size, my favorite color, if I had a Pinterest board that kind of inspired my Forestcore, cottagecore style. And she also asked me things like if I had my ears pierced, which I thought was really thoughtful because the last mystery box I got, I will link that video down below in my description box, but that seller didn't actually ask me if my ears were pierced, but I did get earrings. So it actually makes sense that you would ask a buyer if their ears were pierced before you sent earrings. So I really did appreciate that. And also she asked me if I like things like pressed flowers, which of course I do. She asked me if I like journaling supplies, which of course I do. So I just overall had a great experience with Sentimental_Nostalgia on Depop. I also follow her on Instagram. I think she's adorable and she is so sweet. This package came so quickly. I think it came in a week and a half, which is really quick when you think about gathering up used Forestcore themed clothing items. She did send me a message after this was sent. I let her know I got it and that it came really quickly. And she also mentioned that she wasn't able to find me like my perfect flowy fairy dress, and that if I wanted her to try again, that I could purchase a small mystery bundle and she would do her best to find some more fairy clothes for me. I'm really excited to tear into this and see what is in here. I had so much fun when I did my last Depop mystery bundle. I really like to get surprise things in the mail, but oh my god. Okay, we're in. Is packaged very well. She put packing peanuts in there, and she also gave me a Zen tea. So thank you. I appreciate that. I feel like I should go make some tea and then unwrap this box, but that would be a little too much. Okay. So it looks like each thing is individually wrapped in this pink material with the jute string, which I think is so cute. I have a box of some sort. Sounds like jewelry. Another tea. Okay, this is prickly pear cactus. I think this one will be really good. Oh my god. It's so cute in here. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. Okay, another clothing package here. A cute robin's nest. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I think I'm going to put that over here. Right there. It's a good place for it. It's good over. There we go. Okay, a little package of goodies, but there's also a note on the back of it. Okay, I'm seriously obsessed. I'm obsessed. So this is a little calendar insert for a journal or some sort of planner. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. This looks like some sort of sticker, but I'm all about butterflies, clearly. A thank you card that has some adorable little paper, like, inserts in it. Okay, this is all very aesthetically pleasing to me. And a notebook that also has some little mushrooms on it, some foliage, and it's lined paper like that. Okay, so in this little goodie bag that has a note in it, it's got some washi tape that also has that leaf foliage print on it. I think that is so cute. Oh my gosh, she sent so much stuff. Okay, some more of these foliage stickers with the leaves and the flowers on them. I have 2 butterfly stickers as well as a mushroom. I don't know if these are stickers or decals or what. So in the note, I'm not going to read all of it, but in the very last part, it said, I treated you to a few extra goodies because you are a mother, and I'm sure this past year has been rather stressful. I hope this bundle gives you a smile. Oh my God. Okay. Yes, it did. A little jar of some crystals / rocks. Put that back here. Boop. I have some cottagecore, Forestcore themed stickers, like stamps that you would put like on a letter. Now, these aren't real stamps. These are just for looks, just some stickers. And then also one of those wax seals that has a hummingbird on it. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and I believe that these little gem type hexagon things, these are what make the wax stamps if you were to heat it up. I believe that's what those are. Please comment down below if you know and I got it wrong, but I'm pretty sure that these make the wax seals. So add that to my journaling things. The first one I'm going to open is green. Okay. I love it. It is a forest green sweater. The sleeves are capped like that. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a little loose on me, but I think it's going to look super cute, so I can't wait to try that on. The next bundle. This whole package is so aesthetically pleasing, I can't stand it. I'm seeing white. Okay, it is a white see-through top. Okay. I got a white top in the last mystery bundle I did as well. Okay, and then the last item I think is jewelry. I don't know what material this is, but it's a matching set, an earring and necklace set, but it's got these little, it's either tiny rocks or maybe some resin jewelry, but it looks like this. It is so cute. That is everything that I ordered from Sentimental Nostalgia on Depop. I really love everything. I think it is so cozy, so cute and sweet. Let's get into the try-on montage. Okay, that is going to be all for this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Sentimental Nostalgia on Depop and on her Instagram if you enjoy content like this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. And other than that, I will see you all real soon. Bye!